Beautiful, easy, simple stitch. For this stitch we need multiple of 2 plus 1 for symmetry, so here I cast on the stitches like this. Two, 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 and 1. We slip 1, base row we slip 1 and knit all the stitches to the front loop. Last one we just purl for edge. So we slip 1, yarn in back of the stitch, we slip 1, this one for edge and this one we started 0. So we knit 1, yarn in back of the stitch, we slip 1, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1. Here we have just last stitch, we slip 1, purl the stitches. 2, we slip 1 and knit all the stitches. We slip 1, knit 1 to the front of the loop and slip yarn and back of the stitch. Slip, knit, slip, knit, and last one we just purl for edge. 4, we slip 1, knit all the stitches. So repeat 1, row 1 to 3rd, 4 to the desired length all the time. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show how to knit this. Here just 4 rows, 4 repeats. This is really so good stitch, easy to do, so fast to knit. Look at this, how gorgeous this stitch is. This is back side. This is back side of the stitch.